Tomo. I was born raised in Osaka, Japan. I live here in Tokyo right now. As you guys know, there is pandemic COVID-19 all over the world. Of course, I stay home like most people do. It's been 5 weeks, I think, more than 1 month. And I've not seen anyone, like only cashiers at grocery store. That's it. So, I do voice calls to my family, my friends, most of the nights, and I do watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube all day long, but still, I didn't know what to do else. And I realized that this is a chance to do something new, right? So I decided to make a YouTube channel, which I always wanted to try. So this is it. This is gonna be my first YouTube video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to make roasted green tea. Thank you guys for watching, really. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So in this channel, I'm gonna show you guys Japanese cultures, lifestyle, food, like what we do, what Japanese people do in real life. So if you have any questions or interests about Japan, please tell me in the comments below. And also please hit like the button if you like my video, and I would cry if you subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. And wash your hands and make a tea.